New York coronavirus cases. US has more virus deaths than any other nation, as the number of patients to die in New York State alone rose above 8,600. The United States now has more deaths in the coronavirus pandemic than any other country, with the numbers exceeding more than 19,600 on Saturday. America, with roughly 2,000 a day reported for the last 4 days, has a higher overall figure than Italy, previously the worst hit nation in the COVID-19 outbreak. Subscribe to channel News 786 for more breaking news. Like and share the video. In the past week, the number of new coronavirus deaths each day has been about 3 times higher on average in the US than in Italy, where the total fatality figure now stands at 19,468. Spain, also badly affected by the crisis, has a total of 16,353 deaths, but recorded its lowest amount, 510, in 19 days on Saturday, suggesting a glimmer of hope that the outbreak there may have peaked. America has 5 times the population of Italy and nearly 7 times the population of Spain. 2 weeks ago, Dr. Steve, an ICU doctor in New York, talking to a news channel, said the scene in hospital as hell biblical. This was the first time anyone had revealed the true extent of life inside the city's overwhelmed hospitals. A fortnight on, and New York is now at the peak of the crisis. Sky Alistair Bunkle caught up with Steve again outside a hospital in Queens, exhausted to have worked 7 days a week through the coronavirus crisis. He opened up about the effect it was having on him and his colleagues. People will break down sometimes. Weaknesses show, especially when you are working on one of your own. When you are intubating a co-worker, it gets to you. When your co-worker's family member is intubated and he is dying, it gets to you. Unfortunately though, as physicians, we have just got to suck it up and go to the next one, said the doctor. It's heartbreaking, especially when you have patients who die alone. For instance, I had a patient who I have known for 25 years, a sweet old gentleman. He died alone. His family couldn't come and see him. I've witnessed times when families called looking for their loved ones, and unfortunately they passed away a day or two before, and this family member didn't know. That's a hard call to take. I can't sleep. Obviously, I worry about my family, my daughter, my loved ones. I worry about having PTSD later on in life when it's all over, hopefully, and I wake up from nightmares in the middle of the night. If you're not really in it, you do not understand how bad it is. You can't understand the full breadth of what's going on, and it's better off that they don't. This has ripped through Europe, through China, through the US, and it's going to continue to do so. And this is the worst enemy to have because you can't see them. This is endless and it keeps coming. Comes in waves. You can't let your guard down, can't sleep. You've got to keep fighting because remember, every time we don't fight, every time we slip and somebody dies, said the doctor.